This is a 7-minute Tai Chi-inspired workout that's designed to help reduce visceral belly fat for better health. It's a really lovely routine, all standing, no equipment. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here's a preview of the first move we're going to be doing. We just do these tap across and just swing those arms above and in front. So let's get ready, and we're just going to take that foot behind and across and just swing those arms above and then just bring them in front. Really lovely move. So how it's going to work today, we've got 7 minutes. We're going to reduce excess belly fat, and we're going to do it with doing these Tai Chi inspired cardio moves. Then we do 20 seconds where we really focus on your abdominals. All right, that's good. So just keep following along so you can see how long you've got to go. And let me just quickly show you the next move coming up. This is where we're going to really work your abs. So we're just going to do these little push downs. So just now, feet hip width distance apart, and just do 20 seconds now of these. So keep your hips still. This is where now I'm going to be really working through your abs and your core. Keep going, and you can then see your next move coming up. All right, so next move, tap the foot in front and across this time. And now just bring those arms straight down. And for this one, we're going to do it again, 40 seconds, and then we do another abdominal exercise. And if you want, you can find the 7-day tick chart right at the end of the video, so you can do this as a 7-day challenge. So keep tapping that foot across, swing those arms down, and we're doing non-stop exercise for these 7 minutes today. So your next move coming up is similar, but this time we're taking your arms to chest height. So let's get ready and really work on sculpting and toning through those abs, knees bent, and now give me like that palm push. Again, just 20 seconds. That's good, doing really well. And then we'll go back to doing that Tai Chi inspired low impact move. And well done. All right, so let's bring that back. And again, just nice control. So it's a really lovely full body move. And how these really help with increasing your calorie burn is because I'm working so many muscles all at once. And this is how we're really going to just help to reduce that excess belly fat. It's always a combination of cardio as well as doing the toning, and obviously focusing on healthy nutrition. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So next move coming up, you've got the drill now. We're going to go for doing the same, but this time we're going to take the arms up nice and high. So 20 seconds really sculpting and shaping your waist now. Push those arms up high. Really focus on keeping those hips nice and still for me. Have those knees slightly bent. And then you can see the next exercise. This time we tap the foot directly back. And we're going to do a double arm swing in front. So today it's 40 seconds Tai Chi inspired move, and then 20 seconds where we're really toning and sculpting through the abs. All right, that's good. And these are really going to help. All these exercises really help you burn lots of calories while being safe on your joints. And they also really help improve your circulation throughout your body. That's good. And so we're going to go back to that one where we do those palm presses down towards the ground. And well done. So knees bent, same exercise again. Now what I'm doing is really shaping and sculpting through your waist, your obliques. So we're really toning that tummy. That's good. And then you can see the next move. So you've had no breaks. This is where we're going to get super fit at the same time. We're going to just go for doing a knee lift, but just draw those arms down. So this one here, again, it's a really lovely cardio move. And if you like these Tai Chi inspired workouts, I've got all of these free, completely free here on my YouTube channel. You got everything from 7 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes. And they're just really lovely walking weight loss workouts. All right, that's good. Keep that upper body nice and straight for me. That's good. Nearly finished on this one. So next move coming up, we're back to doing that ab waist toning. This time have your hands at chest height, and let's go straight into that move. All right, that's good. Again, keep those hips still so you're really feeling that working through those waist muscles. And this also is going to be really good to help support blood sugar levels as well. All right, so next move, we can see we're just going to do these tap outs to the side, and just imagine we're pulling something up with the arms. That's good. And draw that up. So as I said, you can do this as a 7-minute, 7-day challenge, and right at the end I'm going to leave you a tick chart. And if you're not already, come find me on Facebook on Lucy Squad for daily motivation. All right, that's good. Keep drawing those arms up. And then we're going to go straight back to doing those ab exercises. This time we're going to take those arms up nice and high. So let's get ready and push those arms up. So you will be feeling really energized now. We'll have got your heart rate up, and we're toning and sculpting but burning calories. So we're ticking all the boxes. And the final move for your Tai Chi-inspired one, you can see now coming up, is just doing a tap behind and a double arm swing over. And the great thing is, because this is just 7 minutes, it's a doable workout, and consistency is key when it comes to healthy weight loss. So just make sure you just always find those 7 minutes every day just to move your body. All right, that's good. Let's just keep going. And we're going to finish off with your ab toning on taking the hands low, then medium, and then up high. And well done. So last little bit and push down. Now go middle and take it up high. But again, focus keeping those hips really still for me, knees soft. And remember, when it comes to losing excess belly fat, it's combined. It's the cardio, the toning, and that healthy eating and being consistent. And well done. All right, let's just get your heart rate back down. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. And what we are going to do is a quick full body stretch. But what I would recommend is, what you can do is simply hit the pause button and grab some water before we stretch. So let's go for stretching, and the first stretch, let's take 1 foot behind and just now take your arms behind. So we're going to do 2 stretches in one here. We're stretching your chest and stretching the calf muscle. And if you want to find out more about Tai Chi walking, then I have got a blog. Let's just change legs, take the arms in front, get that stretch through the top of the back. And if you're watching this on TV and you've got a phone, you can use that QR code. If not, I'm going to leave all the details also in the description down below. And just take that leg in front, feel that hamstring stretch. And for me, these Tai Chi inspired moves are stuff that I've actually always been teaching, because it's always about full body moves, low impact. Let's just feel that hamstring stretch. And if you have found this helpful, please do share it, because all my workouts are completely free. And just feel that stretch now through that quadricep. If you find that uncomfortable, that stretch, I have shown you an alternative that you can do, which just stretches through a little bit more through that upper part of the thigh, through your hip flexor. And now let's just take one arm up, just feel that stretch through your tricep. That's good. And let's just change, take that to the other arm. So well done, there is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done is invest in your future health, and always say, yes, I can be the best version of myself. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. And if you want to do this as your 7-day challenge, take a photo or a screenshot of this and tick it off every day, and let me know after 7 days how amazing you feel.